Hi, welcome to the Eat Curious Kitchen. Today we're going to do the Thai Basil Beef, a hybrid version of that dish.
Hydrate Eat Curious dehydrated mince using 1 pound mince, 3 parts cold water or stock. We recommend adding gravy browning to your rehydration liquid to help colour the mince and ensure a seamless blend when cooked with beef mince. Cover and leave to hydrate for a minimum of 30 minutes. Prepare your vegetables. For this recipe we're using beans, shallots, peppers, and fresh chilies. Heat oil in pan before adding your shallots and stir fry. Add in your beef mince and rehydrated Eat Curious mince and brown together for a few minutes. Add in your red peppers and beans and stir fry for 5 minutes. Add soy sauce, sugar, lime juice, stir in basil leaves and cook until wilted. Serve over jasmine rice.